Welcome to the Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research in Nashik, where knowledge meets innovation. Our state-of-the-art engineering workshop, established in 1984, serves as the beating heart of hands-on practical learning for students across various engineering disciplines. Spanning an impressive 943.5 square meters, this well-equipped facility boasts a capital investment of Rs 1.6 crores. Our workshop is equipped with a variety of traditional and modern machines, ensuring our students are well-versed in both classic and cutting-edge technologies. From lathes, milling, grinding, and drilling machines to electric arc and gas welding machines, we've got it all. This hands-on experience is invaluable, preparing them to become well-rounded and industry-ready engineers. Now, let's delve into some of the key machines that set our workshop apart. VMC machine, precision at its finest. This vertically oriented spindle machine ensures stable and accurate cutting, drilling, and milling operations, perfect for crafting intricate components and prototypes. CNC turning machine. Harnessing the power of computer numerical control, this machine delivers exceptional precision in turning operations, ideal for producing cylindrical components with consistent high-quality output. Lathe machine. The fundamental tool for shaping and cutting various materials. From manual to CNC, our lathe machines ensure efficient and precise machining. CNC plasma cutting machine. Precision metal cutting at its best. The CNC guides the plasma torch for intricate designs. Radial drilling machine. Offering flexibility in drilling holes, this machine's radial, horizontal, and vertical movements ensure precision. MIG welding machine. Efficiency meets versatility. MIG welding is favored for its speed, ease of use, and ability to weld various metals. TIG welding machine. Precision welding with exceptional control. TIG welding is perfect for aerospace, automotive, and fine metalwork applications. The Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research's engineering workshop is not just a space for learning. It's a dynamic hub where theory meets practice, shaping the engineers of tomorrow. Join us on this journey of innovation and excellence.